to your search engine, type studio.youtube.com, then you see that line, you go straight down, click the last box there. And then that's where you're going to get your sounds. After getting your sound, just play around it till you get the one that you like. You screen record so you get the sound and then save to your gallery. After doing that, you have your sounds to yourself. You can do as much as 3-4 so you have any time you want to post a video.